I'm Neely, and I'm here to show you how to create and update posts on your WordPress site. For this demonstration, we will focus on creating a post using the block editor, which is the editor that comes with the current version of WordPress. Our starting point is the WordPress admin dashboard. To start a new post, you can either choose Post from the left-hand navigation, or you can choose New from the top and select Post. Either way, you will land on this page. All you have to do is start typing to get started. Let's add a title. Now we are ready to add some text. We can live type, or for the purpose of this demo, let's copy and paste some text I have offline here. Notice how the paragraphs are each their own block? This allows you to not only format each block separately, you can use the arrows over here on the side of the block to move it up or down the page. You can also drag and drop the blocks where you want them. Also notice the two tabs on the right side here. One says block and the other says post. When you are in the block tab, the changes you make affect only the block selected. When you're in the post tab, it's affecting the post page. So when you add a featured image or tags, this is for the entire post. If you click in the box, you'll get the formatting toolbar. This gives you the ability to choose how you want the text aligned. You can even select a portion of the text to make it bold, italic, or even add a hyperlink. There is additional customization with each block, and this is done in the block settings tab. In the text block settings, you can choose the size of the text. Now you can pick the color that looks best. You can choose a color for the block itself, the text, or both. Now, let's add an image to the post. Clicking the plus at the top of your block gives you options to add more content to your post. You may have to type in the word image into the search bar and select it. We can drag and drop an image into this block, upload an image, or select an image from our library. If you don't have any images on hand, you can find photos at sites like Pexels or Pixabay. Once the image is on your site, you have some formatting options. You can add alt text in this section so customers who are visually impaired can read what the image is all about, and it helps with your SEO too. We can alter the size of our image. Let's choose medium. Now let's add a link to the image so visitors can click the image and jump to more information about the pasta. We're going to link to a custom URL. I'll paste in the link. Now we can choose if we want that link to open in a new tab or not, but we're just going to leave it as it is. Let's choose how we want our image aligned. Play around with it until it looks good to you. And if you want to add a little space, add a block called spacer and decide how large you want that blank space to be. Let's add a caption below the photo saying where this photo was taken. Once your post is looking good, how you want it, you can publish it. If you're not quite ready, you can view it through the preview button. Now that it is published, you can go view the post and see how it looks on your live site. Looks great, right? Let's test our URL by clicking the image in our post. Good, it's opening the right URL. If you go back to the post section in your WordPress dashboard, you can see the post we just made. And if I click it, it will take me back to the block editor if I want to make a change. I can change the text if I had a typo, or maybe I found a better image for the post. I can click on the photo and choose replace and pick the photo I want to use. Just remember to click publish up here at the top to save any changes made to the post. That's all for adding and updating posts. Check out the other WordPress tutorial videos for more tips.